Subaru Outback repairs in my area. Subaru is the automobile manufacturing division of Japanese transportation conglomerate Subaru Corporation. The 21st largest automaker by production worldwide in 2017. Subaru cars are known for their use of a boxer engine layout in most vehicles above 1,500 cc. Subaru's successful formula with the 2021 Outback station wagon has been imitated by several of its rivals. But none of those copycats has managed to get as much traction. The slightly lifted suspension and ruggedized plastic lower body panels have both been found on other wagons. Servicing your Subaru Outback involves regular maintenance to ensure optimal performance, reliability, and longevity of your vehicle. Here are some general guidelines for Subaru Outback service. Keep in mind that specific service requirements can vary based on factors such as the model year, mileage, and driving conditions. Always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for the manufacturer's recommended service intervals and specifications. Oil change. Regular oil changes are crucial to keep the engine properly lubricated. Subaru typically recommends synthetic oil, and oil changes are usually required every 6,000 to 7,500 miles. But check your owner's manual for the specific interval for your Outback. Tire rotation. Rotating tires helps ensure even wear and extends tire life. Subaru recommends tire rotation every 7,500 miles or as specified in your owner's manual. Brake inspection. Regular brake inspections are essential for safety. Check the brake pads, rotors, and brake fluid during routine maintenance. Fluid checks. Regularly check and top off essential fluids such as engine oil, transmission fluid, brake fluid, power steering fluid, and coolant. Air filter replacement. The engine air filter should be inspected regularly and replaced if necessary to maintain optimal engine performance. Battery inspection. Check the battery for corrosion and secure connections. Replace the battery if it is older or showing signs of weakness. Alignment check. If you notice uneven tire wear or the vehicle pulling to one side, it may be time for a wheel alignment. Spark plug replacement. Check your owner's manual for the recommended interval for spark plug replacement. Worn spark plugs can affect engine performance. Inspection of belts and hoses. Regularly inspect belts and hoses for signs of wear or damage and replace them as needed. Cooling system maintenance. Ensure the proper functioning of the cooling system by checking coolant levels and performing a cooling system flush if recommended by the manufacturer. Transmission service. Depending on your Outback's model year and transmission type, there may be a recommended interval for transmission fluid changes or flushes. For more accurate and model-specific information, it's recommended to consult your Subaru Outback owner's manual or contact your local Subaru dealership. They can provide you with the specific maintenance schedule and address any model-specific service requirements.